In the course of the investigation, 8 suspects were arrested. The suspects included 3 housemasters of the college.
Hello guys, my people, no be small thing. The matter when I carry corner concerning Sylvester, our son, the 12 years old boy, be like say man, they give basketballs for Dunwin College. When be say man, last he can't get happy. My people, when I know say ever since then, this matter and still they shut down the social media side. You understand? Both actors, actresses, musicians, farmers, bicycle repairer, everybody just they show concern for this our son. Be like say man, they give basketballs. The matter now be say man, the trading news. When I know say during during the celebration period, we can't surprise say man. They say they don't free the victims when be say man, they give this small boy basketballs. My people, the breaking news now be say man, Commissioner of Police for Lagos State, he don't come out to he say man, Sylvester run money when be like say man get rare P for inside December. He say man a natural death to my people. He say no evidence to show say man na people give am basketballs. I come across this update, my people. Now I say, well, make it not be like say I too talk or I too wasting at and I make me quick rush carry this video come here, make I come show my viewers, my followers when I understand because Bible don already talk and say no peace for the wicked. You no get one be. You no go fear escape and the only way when you take escape am. Now when be say man, you go cry out. The whole world, everybody go see and you understand. Say see wetin you do hide without so. Bible don't talk and say no peace for the wicked because the pain when be say man, the parent of this our brother Sylvester run money when they day now my people they do Christmas and New Year and not concern them my people. Lagos State Commissioner of Police come and say man na natural death. Nigeria, what money cannot do my people does not exist to. This one an example now to Nigeria parents. If you be say you get pikin for Nigeria, your pikin dey most especially body house. Make una dey careful and make una dey know the kind of school wey be say man una dey put una children. Well guys, make una watch this full video while we go see each other for the ending of this video.
In the course of the investigation, 8 suspects were arrested. The suspects included 3 housemasters of the college and 5 students who are said to have been mentioned by the deceased before his death in what legally terms will be dying declaration. The suspects were the students, one Ansel Chamile, male, aged 14. Second one, Michael Kashamu, male, aged 15. The third student, Kenneth Eyang, male, aged 15 also. The fourth student, Faithful Benjamin, male, aged 16. And the last of the 5th student is Edward Bengue, male, aged 16 also. The 3 housemasters are Mr. Valentine Ibokwe, male and aged 45, Mr. Ahmed Barium, male, aged 52, and Mr. Adesoye Olusegun, male, aged 42. A remand warrant dated 7th December 2021 was obtained at the Yaba Magistrate Court to enable the police detain the suspect for 21 days in the first instance while investigation continues. On 9th December 2021, all the parties, including the deceased family, the school management, and witnesses were interviewed personally by me at this command headquarters and in this conference hall. During this open interview, which was interactive, it was unanimously agreed that another autopsy should be carried out, where pathologists from all parties will be present. Investigation was extended to Delta State and Abuja while this case was on. Gentlemen of the press, I would like to state here that investigation revealed that same case was reported at the area command Warri Delta State on 1st December 2021. It has also been established that a postmortem examination was initially carried out on 2nd December 2021 by a consultant pathologist by name Dr. Clement Retahire of the Central Hospital Warri Delta State. The result of the first autopsy dated 10th December 2021 attributed cause of death So, and I quote, acute lung injury due to hypothecosal macria. That means it's inconclusive. Chemical intoxication in the background of blunt force trauma. However, toxicology screening was recommended and was actually also carried out. That was the first one, toxicology as well as postmortem. While waiting for the result of the toxicology, another autopsy was ordered by the coroner magistrate in Lagos State because of the status of jurisdiction. Because happened here, Delta State is out of jurisdiction for this. That is why the parties agree with the lawyers of all the parties on the meeting held on the 9th of December in this hall. So the cause was therefore moved with armed police escorts from Delta State to Lagos State by TOS funeral and autopsy conducted at the expense of Lagos State government. Even bringing the corpse and returning the corpse at the expense of the state government. This second autopsy was carried out at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital on 14th December 2021 in the presence of representatives of all the parties involved in the case. The second autopsy was carried out by Dr. S.S. Shoyemi, the consultant pathologist and chief examiner, Department of Pathology and Forensic Sciences, Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, Ikeja, Lagos. This autopsy was witnessed by the following. 1. Dr. Owen Eze, a consultant pathologist from UCH, who represented Timile's family. That is one of the students that was accused. Dr. Badmus Kabiru, consultant pathologist from Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, who represented the Dowen College. Dr. Uigwe Chikodili, Isabella, a consultant pathologist from Military Hospital Yaba, who represented Edward Brown, one of the students alleged to. Dr. Clemens, Retehiri, consultant pathologist, who performed the first autopsy in Warri. He represented the family of the deceased. Dr. Musa Stephen Itopa, consultant pathologist from UPTH, Navy Teaching Hospital. He represented Michael Kashamu, a student of Dowen College and one of the students alleged. Dr. F.E. Emiogun, consultant pathologist in Lagos State Teaching University, LASU. Dr. O.O. Kiavie Emebo, consultant pathologist in LASU also. Dr. O.O. Onayemi, senior registrar in LASU Lagos State Teaching University Hospital. Dr. M. Salisu, a senior registrar and autopsy posting in LASUT. Dr. S.C. Chima, registrar from Ahmadu Bello University on autopsy posting in LASUT. Dr. F. Emetoma, registrar. Then CSP Razak Oseni, homicide section, who represented the Nigerian Police Force, Lagos State Police Command. DSP Olusegun Bamidele, homicide section in State CID Party, also represented Nigerian Police Force, Lagos State Police Command. And Sergeant Shola Adeniyi, homicide section 2 of Lagos State CID, who represented the Nigerian Police Force, Lagos Police Command. Before the expiration of the 21 days remand order, the families of the students applied for their bail at the Magistrate Court in Yaba. The application was approved, and the students who were earlier remanded at Boys Home, Oregun, were granted bail. The house masters were also granted bail after the expiration of the 21 days remand order. The result of the second autopsy carried out in Lagos was released on 21st December 2021. The results attributed the cause of death to septicemia, lobar pneumonia, with acute phalangoprotis and panocytosis of the right ankle, because you need to use their terminologies, so pardon me for the pronunciation. On the 30th December 2021, the toxicology screening results of the first autopsy carried out in Warri was released. The result issued and signed by the same Dr. Clements. So, Ferry Tehiri, same doctor who carried out the initial autopsy, attributed cause of death to acute bacteria due to severe sepsis. That's what the result. The second, that the first result carried out by the same doctor of the toxicology is acute bacteria. At the end of the diligent investigation carried out so far, there is no evidence to establish a case of torture, bullying, and forceful application of poisonous substance against the suspects. All the suspects denied the allegations of torture, bullying, and administering a poisonous substance to the deceased. Allegation that the deceased was being forced to join a cult group was also not established, as other students interviewed denied this. Final results of the postmortem and toxicology examination conducted both at Warri and Lagos agreed that the deceased died of natural death. For purpose of clarification, it is pertinent to convey to members of the public, in simple terms, the commentary and submission of Dr. S.S. Shoyemi, the consultant pathologist, who led a team of pathologists to carry out the autopsy. He declared, and I quote, Sylvester Oromoni Jr., a 21-year-old student of Dowen College, Lekki, Lagos, reportedly died on November 30, 2021 at a private hospital in Warri, Delta State. It was alleged that the deceased was physically assaulted and poisoned.
So guys, I also now watch that full video. Una say and say, man, Nigeria as a whole, that country not just dey encouraging at all. This one a small picking when be say, man, a fellow student they give basketballs. I will say they really deep into this matter. They really do investigation where mode. They say may they remove money, may they carry money aside. They'll say they want to do proper investigation. They will see and say, man, all those claimed children, when they say this one they 16 years, the other one they 15 years, the other one they 14 years, the other one they 18 years. None of them even reach 18 years. You might go see and say, oh God, people you they won't be say man, they back them. Or people even don't be like say man, then they are weird. When they take go give Sylvester or money, basketballs, when be say man, last this small boy can't be a rap. Man, people as I first tell you now, Bible don't talk on because me I know they believe anything when human being talk, but anything when they for Bible, may anybody not argue now. Bible talk and say no peace for the wicked. Anybody when be like say man, support this evil act. The people will be like say man, they on top this matter when they not see make them do investigation where all of them and one rope tie all of them. Because I don't see any reason why people when not sick, when not get accident, when corona not cash, when you not get kidney problem, when you not get liver problem, when you not get anything bad sickness, all of a sudden, a fellow student they just gather come give him basketballs based on saying a small boy. Last this boy they can't give him many concussion drink. Last this small boy can't be a happy. Now the police will be say man. Police before now to protect life and property. Nigeria police, my people, now to protect and collect money. Protect and collect money. Protect and collect money. After they don't go use Ghana must go take give una money for office. Why not go change math? Where God go judge you now. I understand. God will create heaven and earth. You know they sleep because that innocent boy wanna give a rap. You wanna not forget say creator. Now he create heaven and earth. Even now when be say man, you call yourself commissioner of police, you be this, you be that, you be DPO. Now God now get your heart. Now God now see create you. You understand? Don't forget say the same RIP. Or guy you yourself, you not go see escape am. The day when you all go knock for there, go be like film for your eye. All those money, they see all those money when the park give you so. When you take the cover up, when you take say a natural death, you can't open your mouth, a whole commissioner of police. You say na natural death, na Sylvester or money get. Well, God, they look everybody, no problem. Because I watched the video and the thing really touched me. You understand? The thing touched me. According to the parent of this small boy, they say when this small boy want BRIP, when he want just give up, tears come they come out for his eye. He say he don't want BRIP. He say, Daddy, I don't want BRIP. Now so this small boy take give up. Now so he take give up, my people. Ah God, abroad too good, sha. Abroad too good though. Because me and they always they talk and say now Igbo now they be second God. Abroad too good though. Because here for abroad, anything when it be say it happen, as far as say you get evidence. If you get evidence, you don't get, even if say that person I be president of that country. Now small lawyer and they go humble am. They go judge that case and they go win the case. Abroad too good though, my people. Anything when be say it happen for this Europe, if you get evidence, you don't get, you don't take defeat that person. Even if say that person now be prime minister or now be king, go as far as say you get evidence, just rest. You don't get one be small rat when be lawyer. Now they go defend you. They not go ask you for money. They not go ask you for 1 naira. But Nigeria, this one be say man, evidence they the whole world see am. Small people be say man, what did they ever give and drink? All he lives, all his body come cutty. A whole police come and say no. God have mercy upon us. So, well, guys, once again, I go leave on here. In case today not the first time when they come across this YouTube channel, my name remain Urum. I be make you contribute to this YouTube channel. And I know say, man, information is power, because as the update they hot, and they can't drop on phone. And make una help me hit on that bell so that whenever we drop any new update, you will be among the first person when people like say, man, you go receive the notification. Don't fail to drop your comment, because me I dey read una comment well. Because through your comment, I will tell know what will be your opinion regarding this very video. So guys, I will see you now for the next update coming up soon. Respect, one love, guys.